Is Windows 11 Update KB5077241 failing to install with error code 0x800f0983? Does Windows Update stop, fail to complete, or keep retrying without success? In this video, I'll show you all the working fixes step by step to resolve this issue.
First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. In Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scano. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit, and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type netstop wserv. Type netstop crypt svc. Type netstop msi server. Type renc/windows/software distribution old. Type renc/windows/system32/catroot2 Type netstart wserv. Type netstart crypt svc. Type netstart bits. Type netstart msi server. Type Exit, and then press Enter. Restart your PC to apply the changes. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. In Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Press Enter. Wait for your PC to be repaired. Type Exit, and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Press Run. Select Yes to diagnose your issues. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Press Yes if the troubleshooter fixed your issues. Now close the troubleshooter. First open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Windows Update. Press Run. Select if you can't install the update, or if the update is causing issues. I'll choose that I can't install it. Press Yes to scan your PC for errors. Wait for your PC to be scanned.